Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 in an LT Trail Boss trim, I believe, and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. And then first looking into the back, where you have comfortable seating for three with a nice leather or vinyl interior. And then in the middle you have fold-out armrest with two cup holders, as well as having some sort of secret compartments inside of the seats themselves for some more storage capacity. And then the seats can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. And finally, in the middle you have two cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And you have a premium Bose sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 72,491 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer with your distance to empty. And then you have your you have some of your information here, all of your service info you can look at, and other vehicle info such as your trip information, distance empty, oil life, tire pressures, life of all of your parts, engine hours, trailer brake, 4x4 status. You have your now playing, navigation controls, phone controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, as well as a heated steering wheel so you can keep your fingers warm. And then to the left you have your 4x4 controls here with 4Auto, as well as your tow haul and sport mode shifter, or selector I guess you could say. And then you have your cargo lights, all of your lighting controls there. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth, and that's it. But you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, and then your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures. And then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And then moving down from that, you have your media controls, and then you have your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated front seats, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And then you have some controls here, such as your hill descent assist, auto start stop shut off, your remote tailgate release, hazards, traction control shut off, your power outlet power button there, and then you have your trailer brake controller, USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, as well as having a 115-volt power outlet, I believe. And then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then looking at your center console area, where you have two cup holders, large cubby area, then your large center compartment / armrest here with your another USB, USB-C, your auxiliary, and your nav card slot, I believe is what that is. And a ton of room in here for whatever you want to put in there. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.